Hi everyone! Today we're going to open Mega Evolution Ascended Heroes box. Ta-da! We have the release new box of Pokemon. So it says that Electrina box. So let's try to open. Wait.
Okay.
There. Easy. Easy to cut. We have this book.
Manual.
Okay. Oops, sorry guys. We have some sleeves, coin, and Zekrom, and basic energy. Basic looks like damage. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 packs to go. Okay. The first pack.
Don't hold open.
Oops. There's the code card. Okay.
Yacht.
Ah, wait, Groudon? This is rare. Utata. Second pack. Cold card. Oh, let's see. Oh, no. Third pack. Oh, no! It can't be a good card. Oh my gosh! Did you see that gold card? I can't believe it. Wait, is that the gold
This
card?
was the moment I was about to pull a Mega Charizard YX card.
I can't believe that.
Careful for the card.
Gold Mega!
Nice!
I can't believe
Nice
it.
pool! See you. Nice Kuya Clyde. Tinitingnan ko naman yung pool.
Alright! May plastic na.
What?
Yay! My God! Karoon ko yan! Uy! Dadadadadadad!
Sabi ko na nga po eh.
Okay.
Nice. Oh my gosh.
Ay, first gold card natin!
Sabi ko na nga ba yung pag-pull ko nung box eh. Sabi ko may gold yun.
I thought it's supposed to be a gold card.
Yeah.
Gold card nga!
Here. Gold
Tadan!
card.
Good job. Show to the camera. Tada!
Whoa! Let's see. Oh,
Nothing.
nothing.
It's okay. Next.
Okay. Please be another hit for the next one. What is the sharp? Not.
Fresh.
Oh, nothing.
It's okay.
Ginitan! I put the gold card!
Diyan na si Kuya.
What?
We pulled it.
I pulled it.
Sit-down ka.
The heck? Oh, nothing. I struck them.
Nice? Is it nice?
I want to pull one.
You want to pull it?
Pull one.
Dragonite naman sa'yo.
Oh, and Zorak!
Should have.
And Zorak! Mom! And Zorak EX. We're on to the 8th pack.
You want? Ayaw, may puso.
Oh, nothing. Down to the last pack.
Last pack.
Let's see if we can pull. Please. Wait.
Readables yung...
Oh,
Nothing?
yeah.
Yay! But we got it! Look! Da-da-da-da-da! Nice? You say bye!
Bye, guys. I got this. I got this. Bye.